Hello, my name is Dana. In this video I will talk about scoring and grading tests and assignments. The rubric is used to assess speaking and writing skills because it is an accurate guide for the assessment of the learning and product made by the student. Each instrument breaks down the performance levels of the apprentices in an aspect determined and with a specific performance criteria. In addition, it indicates the achievement of the objective curriculum and the expectations of the teachers. It also allows students clearly identify the relevance of the content and the objectives of the academic work established. All oral communication courses evaluate the following aspects: fluency, structure, communication skills, content, vocabulary, and pronunciation. The percentage award to each of these components varies in each instrument according to the teacher who is using it, not necessarily according to the evaluation activity. For example, one instrument gives the content a value of 15 points, while another is evaluated together with the vocabulary with a value of 35 points. The same situation occurs with the structure. One instrument values it with 25 points and the other with 30. Regarding the evaluation criteria, some instruments use the following scale. 1 is equal to poor, 2 is need improvement, 3 acceptable, 4 good, and 5 excellent, while others have the following indicators is excellent, very good, fair, and poor, but none describe what is meant by each of them. There are also scales that use scales from 0 to 10 and where many points are valued, such as the skills to speaking and writing, and as well as for example grammar. And the established time of a video in case of being a qualified video, in case of being an essay, qualifying the use connectors and vocabulary, the numbers of words established by the rubric, among other parameters. Now, what is the difference among holistic rubric and analytic rubric? Holistic rubrics are single criterion rubric used to assess participants' overall achievement in activity or item based on predefined levels of achievement. Additionally, they can use a text-only or percentage scoring method. Unlike analytic rubrics, which are two-dimensional rubrics with achievement levels as columns and evaluation criteria as rows, it allows evaluating the achievement of the participants based on multiple criteria using a single rubric. You can assign different weight There is values to different criteria and include overall achievement by totaling the criteria. And in addition, analytic rubrics can use a scoring method, custom points, or text-only conclusion. Among the main reasons why the rubric should be used are that they formulate and base the characteristics that a good final product should have, and the possibility of the student to know about beforehand the way in which they will be evaluated, and if they provide when giving the student feedback on their strengths and weaknesses, as well as the reduction of subjectivity when evaluating. In short, rubrics are excellent assessment tools, as they are perfectly suited for the purposes of assessing the oral competence of second language learners. Thank you.